but in our own hands.
With this thought, I, Kabir,
And I, Aarti,
welcomes you all in this freezing morning. Today, our Class 9 talent is going to present a wonderful assembly.
With 100% participation. So
So-
please lend your ears to us.
Let's proceed.
Yes, come and let's rope them. People, you all are our slaves. You all are our slaves. Ha 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 ha. Your stars have gone off. Your destiny is in our hands. Ha 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 ha. Sardar, do you want to have delicious food?
Yes, let's bring some delicious food for me.
Yes, Sardar.
Our life is worse than animals. Why are we compelled to live the life that we don't deserve? Why have we given the right to those bandits to mold our life in this way?
It is our destiny and we have to live like this.
No, I strongly oppose this. It is not in a task to hold our destiny, but in ourselves. If we have courageous attitude and positive towards life, we can overcome any hurdle of life.
Changing destiny is in our hands only. Could anyone mind providing us the remedy to eradicate this disease? Oh, I mean slavery.
Yes, you are right, but our collective efforts may change the scenario. It's we who can help us. Proper planning and its execution. Yes, this is ultimate way to set one's destiny by oneself. But I am afraid if we are unable to face them, we all will be killed.
You are rightly concerned, but we cannot change our destiny without leaving our comfort zone. Every victory is possible provided that if we are ready to sacrifice in any terms.
We are ready. We are ready. We will write our destiny ourselves. We will write our destiny ourselves.
Would anyone mind suggesting an effective plan to overcome this slavery?
Yes, it's rightly said, there is a will, there is a way. We all have to strike our terror in their mind and soul by projecting our togetherness. A loud thunder and aggression will shatter them, and yes, they will be compelled to leave this place, and then we will live a life full of freedom, and it is all possible we can do.
But what if they are so strong and we are unable to defeat them?
It's not our part. We have to put our level best efforts to make our victory possible. And why not? For that, we have hundreds of examples like how Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj conquered the Toral Dund, or how Pandit Chanakya expelled King Dhananjay, or how Maharana Pratap led his soldiers bravely. They all have wrote their destinies, and by following their footsteps, thousands of kings have changed their lives.
Yes, I agree with you, but will we able to display courage you are talking about? I am worried because people will withdraw because of fear and all planning goes waste. We have to be determined. If we are, we can proceed.
Oh no, these people are going to be very fatal. I must inform this to my Sardar to be very alert.
They are unable to stand firmly in front of us. Ha ha ha.
But I am afraid they may harm.
Be relaxed. They do not deserve attention.
I can experience their thunder. They are coming, Sardar. They are coming. Let's run.
No, I will not leave this place. They all have gone crazy. Oh, they are coming. Let's run. We are in danger. Dear friends, these characters of bandits we have displayed are nothing just our fear of pain and fear of loss. We are not ready to pay for what we want in our life, and we generally we are scared of how to do and what if we fail in our life.
We should always be ready to face any challenges which come across very positively. We should put our level best effort and we should not be very much concerned about the result of the work because creating destiny is entirely possible if we leave our comfort zone. And it is rightly said that it is not in stars to hold our destiny but in ourselves. Thank you.